In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your add friend QR code. By enabling this, your friends will be able to scan the QR code to add you as friends. And this is one of the easiest way to connect with your friends. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Now, to do this on Roblox, first you need to go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And once you're here, head to connect here. Now, if you tap on this, we have two options that you can add from contacts or add from QR code. Here, you will be able to share your QR code to add people you know. So if I go ahead and tap on this, now you can see we have an option here of your QR code tailored towards your account. You can now proceed and share this by tapping on share QR code and share it with anyone. So that's how you can enable add friends using QR code. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.